Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix FIFA 23 connection error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just click here and then type Windows Update Settings. Now install all the updates that you can find here, click check for updates, and after that let's move to the next step. Go back, type here CMD, right click on it, run as administrator and click yes. And now once you're here, type ipconfig//dns and click enter, and then type niche winsock reset and click enter. And after that, type here control panel and then go to network and internet, network and sharing center. Click here, click properties, double click on protocol internet version 4, and now just copy my settings and then click OK and OK again. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.